Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change lock screen shortcuts on your Android phone. By the way, this option is not available on all phones, but you can always find it. Now here you have to go to this wallpaper section, right? So here this is my home screen lock screen. You can always find it here, right? And this is the app drawings section, and you will find a lot of option to do this, right? So in your case you can always find it here, but in my Android phone it's not available. That's why I'm not able to find any option to do those, right? So this is it. And if you want to customize, mainly it's available in Samsung or in the latest operating system of Android phones here, where you can customize the wallpaper and everything, right? And sometimes it's always click and hold. Now you can just go to this icons and everything, and if you just go and click on more, you will be redirected here. Again, you can just go to the wallpapers and you can just customize it and everything. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.